All right. Scotty's got this all done and back together.
And go figure I dropped a nut.
And he dropped a nut. He was just talking about having 3 bolts. Anyway, repacked the bearings because he loved her, so he lubed her. So that's good. We're going to be bleeding those real soon. The license plate bracket here in the front was loose, so we just wanted to put the proper hardware on that so it doesn't sit wonky there for you, Mr. Steven. This is a little loose too, but
so is my axe, but that's not the point.
Oh, Jesus. Anyway, how lubed or not was it on this side? Oh, this one was seepy too. Look.
Yep.
It was seepy over here too.
Yeah.
That's cute.
So I need to get actually while you're right here, so we can
on aisle 5. A little.
I don't see it anywhere other than just the wheel cylinder starting to get bad.
Yeah, you can see the little trail.
Yeah.
Got lucky. Steven, you got lucky. You had 2 that were leaking, 2 that weren't, but we replaced all 4. Well, replacing all 4 because this is the last one.
Yeah.
So that's getting done.
I still like my idea the best to do these wheel cylinders.
Yeah.
Because we don't have to adjust any of the brakes.
Yeah, you don't have to screw with it.
Nope.
So you're going to also repack that bearing probably because it's not that good.
It's actually not real bad, but yes, I'm going to repack it to be on the safe side.
Pack the bearings, put it back together, and we'll bleed these, and then I get to do the compressor.
Okay, sounds good. So in a couple of minutes, I'm gonna bleed my once a month bleed. Oh, I just won't be a.
What? Anyway. Okay, get back to work. All right.
Scotty's gonna go wash his hands.
New one's in, clean, pretty. Everything looks good, Scotty.
Thank you, sir.
I'll lower this down so you can get in there, and then we'll bleed this baby.
Bleed it, yeah. Stick it, make it bleed.
And then we're gonna do the AF. Then we're gonna do the AF. All right, I'm gonna top off this here master cylinder with fluid now that we've leaked damn near all of it out because, we changed everything. And then Scotty's getting it in the car, and he's gonna be my pump bleed. All right, we've bled the right rear. Got to do a little cleanup on aisle 5, but we bled the right rear. Took a while to get fluid back here. These old single balls. Single bowls, not single balls.
Yeah, what's on your mind?
I need to get laid. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to bleed the left rear. Scotty's in the car doing his...
Hi.
Oh, there he is. He's pumping. He's always pumping. I think his first time he was pumping in a car.
Actually it was!
All right, I'm going to bleed this, so now we're going to be serious. All right, swapping out our AC compressor. Got everything already undone, because it does not take long to change a compressor on this, thankfully. So, old one's going to come out. You'll see me position the new one here in just a moment. Just like that, our new compressor's on, wired, bolted down. Got the vacuum pump hooked up. We are doing our deal here, evacuating the system. Get that down, get it charged. And get this baby back over to Steven, just in time for Casual Concourse next week.
Very cool, that's right.
I'm also going to check
Forgetting
this.
that's coming up. I may go.
I think one of us has to go, and because I'm racing, that means you have to go.
Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't mind. I think it'll be great. But
No, it's fun. It's a fun show. It's a good show. Good show, good friends. Everybody there. Steve, we also want me to check on the coolant. Make sure it's good. It's actually nice and clean. Really nice. I'm just going to top it off a little bit, and we'll be all right. All right. So we are now charging the system with refrigerant. I'm going to turn on the new compressor. It's all in and ready to go. Gonna knock that out. Get this back to Steven tonight.